So in this video I will show you 5 winning products for dropshipping in this August 2025. Because you are a dropshipper, so you need always to find trending products and which is right now going on. Okay, so that's why this is August and I have found some 5 good dropshipping products and you can test it. Our first product is a glowing FC, so which is the mainly for the passionate audience who loves the football. So I will just click on a video and I will show you why this product is very good. Okay, you can also go to the computer store. You can see that this is a lighting, football lighting, because right now and maybe within 2 or 3 years, oh yeah, in the next year also the FIFA World Cup coming, so that's why this is very good product. So I think in your dropshipping product list a football product should keep. Let's scroll. Madrid, if you are a real one, I ordered 2 days ago. How long does it take? Okay, can you do from Poland? Okay, so everyone is interested and they have already ordering. They need this product. Okay, so we have already showed the everything. That we will go to the number 2 product, which is the fishing product. Okay, this product is very amazing. You can see that 1.9 million, 20 million, 14 million, very good. So just click on a video that I will show you why this is a good product. Don't show these glasses to a fisher. Okay, this is a hook. So when you will wear this glass, you will see clearly the fish in the water. Okay, so this is very different product, new product, unique product. Okay, so a lot of every criteria match this product, and you can see the comment fishermen imported them only around for 40 years. Okay, wow, Prozer glasses. Okay, so this is the very good product. And we will see the competitor store. Competitor store very simple design. You can make more better store than him, then your converting rate will be increased. Okay, this is also he increased the bundle systems. Okay, then the number 3 product is football niche products. For example, because this is CR7 Messi's, every celebrities related product. Okay, so maybe within 2 years the Messi and Ronaldo, they will be retired. Okay, after the FIFA World Cup. So that's why people want always there some memory, some gift. They want to keep their house because they want to realize, or they want to always remember them. Okay, as a gift. Some small products. Okay, so you can see this is a very good product. And this is the computer store, very simple design. Just make a good high converting store and then just list the product. Okay, number 4 product is, we will see, this is a car product. Just see the video. Okay, it's our profile page. Where can I get Wally? Okay, this is a remote control car. Okay, new Lego set for the cutest robot ever model. The packages comes with the manual. Okay, this is a remote control car, and you can see the comment. You always see the comment. Okay, and when you will select a product as a winning. Okay, model, but it didn't came with a remote controller. Okay, super, it's very good product. Just see the computer store. Okay, very simple design. Product picture, gifts, everything's just he kept. Okay, very good. Number 5 product is our last product, which is Icy Seat reels. Okay, so you know this is summer seasons and people wants always some cold things. Okay, so this is a seat therapy of the, we keep this your seat to very cold. Okay, so that's why this is very good product. Okay, so therapy, you can see that. So the Icy Seat car cooling cushion. Okay, so active cooling with 5 bits. So my friend, so these are my 5 winning products for this August. And comment below if you need any help and any dropshipping help. If you need profitable business, just comment below. And also in my email, just email me. Okay, so no problem.